What is the study of animals called? Answer, zoology. Who proposed the two-kingdom classification? Answer, Linnaeus. Which kingdom includes multicellular eukaryotic heterotrophs? Answer, Animalia. What is the basic structural unit of animals? Answer, cell. What type of nutrition do animals show? Answer, heterotrophic. Which phylum has no true tissues? Answer, Porifera. What is the level of organization in Porifera? Answer, cellular. What is the body symmetry of Cnidaria? Answer, radial. Which phylum has stinging cells? Answer, Cnidaria. What are stinging cells called? Answer, cnidoblasts. Jellyfish belongs to which phylum? Answer, Cnidaria. Hydra shows which type of reproduction? Answer, asexual budding. Platyhelminthes are commonly known as? Answer, flatworms. What type of body cavity do flatworms have? Answer, a columate. Tapeworm belongs to which phylum? Answer, Platyhelminthes. What is the level of organization in flatworms? Answer, organ. Roundworms belong to which phylum? Answer, Nematoda. What type of body cavity do roundworms have? Answer, pseudocolon. Example of a roundworm. Answer, Ascaris. Which phylum shows bilateral symmetry first? Answer, Platyhelminthes. Earthworm belongs to which phylum? Answer, Annelida. What is the body cavity in Annelida? Answer, true coelom. What type of segmentation do annelids show? Answer, metameric. Example of marine annelid. Answer, Nereus. Which phylum includes animals with jointed legs? Answer, Arthropoda. Arthropoda means? Answer, jointed legs. What is the largest phylum of Animalia? Answer, Arthropoda. Exoskeleton of arthropods made of? Answer, chitin. Example of arthropod. Answer, cockroach. Mollusca have which type of body? Answer, soft, unsegmented. Example of hemichordate. Answer, balanoglossus. What is the defining feature of chordates? Answer, notochord. Phylum Chordata includes animals with? Answer, notochord. What type of heart do chordates have? Answer, ventral. Which chordate feature provides skeletal support? Answer, notochord. What is the position of nerve cord in chordates? Answer, dorsal. What is the position of nerve cord in non-chordates? Answer, ventral. What is the blood system in chordates? Answer, closed. Vertebrates have what instead of notochord? Answer, vertebral column. Fish belong to which subphylum? Answer, Vertebrata. What structure secretes the shell in mollusks? Answer, mantle. Snail belongs to which phylum? Answer, Mollusca. Radula is present in which phylum? Answer, Mollusca. Octopus belongs to which phylum? Answer, Mollusca. Echinoderms show what kind of symmetry in adults? Answer, radial. What type of skeleton do echinoderms have? Answer, calcareous. Starfish belongs to which phylum? Answer, Echinodermata. What is the larval symmetry of echinoderms? Answer, bilateral. What is the water vascular system used for? Answer, movement. Hemichordates are linked between which two groups? Answer, invertebrates and chordates.